Alright guys, so I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually get some nice hooks for your beat. So for we that can't sing, we have to source for vocal samples just to make our beat really interesting. And if you're in my shoes, I'm gonna be showing you how you can just do that. So let's just go right into our DAW so I show you guys this amazing update. So I'm just gonna play this beat I'm working on it. I'm just imagining a hook, just something that I can use when posting the beat. You should just have that amazing hook. If you can sing, good for you. You can just easily do that. But for me, I'm just gonna go to this amazing platform called Mureka, and I've already done this. So what I did was just come over and you can upload your reference of your beats. So your beats, you can upload your beat and it's gonna create a different vibe with vocals on it. Then you can carry that vocal, put it on your own beat, and you have a nice vocal hook. So what I did was I just came over here. You can see I've added the reference of that song, did the beat. Yep, I've added the beat, I've uploaded it. So all I just clicked was use that reference, and I didn't even put, I just put chilled. I think I just put chilled Afro beat, but you could decide to give it some nice prompt it whatever you want. And if you have a vocal reference, you can also add like a vocal. They have tons of vocals you can pick from.
I dreamed of crafting.
I dreamed of craft.
Yeah, so whichever vocal you like, you can decide to use that vocal, or you could even upload something from YouTube. Just paste the link, but make sure you have right to use that particular YouTube link, and you just click on use. But I didn't use any vocal, and just click on create if you want to go more advanced by uploading your lyrics, your style and everything. But for me, I just love keeping things easy and simple. Then I just hit on create, and it created two versions for me, standard, two amazing versions. You have this version. Yeah, be created on that version. This is the second version. Make a bad man change his mind. Baby, make me dance on you. Under the moonlight glow. Anyway. Yeah, so this was the version I really loved, and you can see the lyrics here. So all you can do next is just come over here and you can download it, and you can download the stems. So for me, I downloaded the stems because I actually needed the vocal. But I downloaded the stems, then I dragged it into my project line, and this is it. I've chopped some of the vocals. Let me just put that back up so we hear it in context. Then I show you guys what I did, because using stuff like this, you have to be very creative, play around. As a music producer, you have to be very creative. So yeah, so I have this now for my vocal. Yeah, so you can see it has given the beat, a direction and a vibe now, guys. And for me, this is amazing. So yeah, the name of the site where I got the vocal from is called Mureka AI, and it's an AI platform where you can create music. If you want to do like a podcast, you can actually create music from here for your podcast, and it gives you license to use the music wherever I want to use it. But for me, I just love vocal samples, so I just want to show you on that angle of how you can be creative when using Mykah, so you can get vocals, customized vocals that is just gonna fit your own beat, just like I've showed you right here. And for me right now, what I did with the vocal, because the vocal by itself sounded, let me just put everything, I pitched it up. The vocal by itself, let me just reset this and remove the effect. So the vocal by itself, under the moonlight glow. So all I did was to pitch it up, to pitch it +5, because I wanted it to be like a vocal sample. Under the moonlight glow, under the moonlight glow. Then I just, added this RX95 just to take out some of the high end. So I have this, then added some reverb and some delays. So taking that from what sounded on the original to sounding like this. So we have this. So it had drums. as you can hear it on the original song.
You
That part.
come, I go, glow. Anywhere you come, I go. Your love, they pull me closer. Baby, make we.
Nice, sounds nice. I will have this now. And all I just did was to upload my own track. Just upload it so you can add as many as you want to. I won't upload my song there for you.
What if I like you?
Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's just how easy it is. Upload a reference, you can also upload a vocal, and you can also create just instrumental if you want to, and it does that in split seconds. And we have this. So the guys, this is just the update I want to show you guys that you can easily create vocals, samples with a platform like Mureka AI. You definitely want to go check it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video so you could go check it out for yourself and get creative and get created with Mykah AI. So if you got something from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.